शहर में आइस एज की बर्फज़दा दुनिया की नुमाइश का इनअकाद हुआ, जहां ज़ायरीन ने जानवरों की इर्तिक़ा की शानदार कहानी देखी। इस नुमाइश में हाथियों के इर्तिक़ाई सफ़र को पेश किया गया, जिसमें ज़बरदस्त ऊली मैमूथ से लेकर आज के शानदार हाथियों तक के मराहिल दिखाए गए। ज़ायरीन ने मैमूथ और हाथी के दरमियान फ़र्क को करीब से देखा और तारीख़ के इस सफ़र का मुशाहिदा करके हैरियत का इजहार किया। ये नुमाइश बच्चों, ख़ानदानों और जानवरों के शायकीन के लिए एक मालूमाती और दिलचस्प तजुर्बा साबित हुई। लोग तारीख़ के मराहिल, इर्तिक़ा के मराहिल और माज़ी के साथ बराह रास्त रब्ता कायम करने का मौका हासिल कर सके। ये एग्ज़िबिशन 8 अप्रैल से 9 जून 2026 तक शाम 5 बजे से 9 बजे तक बिन्ने मिल ग्राउंड, टैंक बंद रोड, करीब मेट्रो मॉल में जारी रहा। ज़ायरीन ने कहा कि इन्होंने मैमूथ और हाथी दोनों देखकर हैरियत महसूस की और ये प्रोग्राम वक्त के सफ़र का एक यादगार तजुर्बा रहा।
Very super.
So outside there is a waterfall. After seeing that, what is your first expression?
It was very good and it was looking beautiful.
Did you play in the waterfalls?
No,
Okay, how are the animals over here?
it is realistic and it is beautiful.
So, have you seen those animals before, or this is the first time you're seeing all those mammals?
I have seen, but not in real life.
Damn good, obviously. Everyone can come and visit this.
What is the one part that you like the most here?
Here is everything is good, but
So there is
waterfalls.
here which tells the evolution that has taken place from the ice age till now. So what
Yeah.
do you have to say on that?
nothing was so much. Waterfalls is so good.
So like would you
Enjoy
recommend
it.
for others to come and visit it?
Yeah, everyone can come here and visit this place. It's so good, damn good.
Thank you.
Yes,
So, how is your overall experience here?
it is very nice.
What are the things which you like the most here in this exhibition?
I like butterfly.
Butterfly. Apart from butterfly, what else?
I like elephant.
Elephant, you said those ice age from till now they have kept. So seeing that, what did you feel?
Like some sound elephant. Yes.
And did you saw the waterfalls out there?
Yes.
So how was it?
Very nice, colorful.
हमें भी अब जस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम आई, अब तक का मालूम नहीं, अब एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हैं, देखेंगे आगे।
ये जो waterfalls सब था, कैसा लगा तुम्हें?
मस्त है, अच्छा
ये
है,
जो एनिमल्स, एलिफेंट्स, पुराने मैमल्स सब थे,
अच्छे ही ऑलमोस्ट।
तो ये पूरे फर्स्ट टाइम देखे या ऑलरेडी देख कोई?
नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ।
How was your overall experience?
वेरी नाइस,
What do you have to say about this exhibition? क्या बोल?
वेरी नाइस। कम सभी एक्सप्लोर करो, आओ देखो, मजा लियो।
Beautiful. The first time we are coming, the kids are really enjoying a lot, and even we also ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಥರ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಓ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಓ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಗುಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
On waterfalls, artificial water.
ಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲವ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಥರ ಅನಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ.
ಏನೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಲರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರು, JCB ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಬೇರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬೈಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ
ಈ
ಆಯಿತು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು.
Yeah, it was nice. Actually, I didn't expect it to be this good. I actually came seeing just the waterfalls, but then I think this was all quite new and it was very colorful and fascinating. Especially for the kids, it's really good. She's enjoying. My daughter's enjoying a lot. So I highly recommend this to everybody. I think this is not something I expected. It kind of blew my mind also. I think for the price, it's really reasonable and the experience is also good.
Do
Yeah.
you think it actually took you back to the history?
Yes, definitely, and without a doubt, yeah.
How about the waterfalls, the artificial falls with they have made here.
Yeah, that is quite an experience. So I've not seen anything like that before anywhere. I think that's something very new, and it's quite nice. And the water was also pretty cold. I mean, it was like an actual waterfalls we enjoyed. So that was something new and very enjoyable experience with family and kids.
Tell me, how is your experience?
It is very nice.
And what all the things you saw here?
Animals and waterfalls,
Which are the animals you like the most here?
butterfly and elephants.
So you said elephant. There are like evolution that has happened from the old age till now. So what
First elephants.
first time? So how was your experience seeing them?
It was very nice.
So there is the artificial water that is out.
Ha.
So seeing that, what is your first reaction?
Very happy because it was very nice, and the cold water, it was very nice to play.
Okay. Will you,
Did you play in the water?
Yes,
You enjoyed it?
yes.
This is their old elephant and this lion are looking very beautiful, and these are all amazing. I want to see this. This was amazing. I want to say
so how
that
was your experience coming here? What did you feel?
I feel that waterfalls so beautiful. That was looking like a real river, like coming like that. I feel that experience.
It was good.
Yes,
Okay, next time will you visit here again?
yes,
Will you bring your friends also?
yes. Compulsory. I will come.
This old elephant and new, the evolution that they have showcased.
Oh,
What is
yes.
your opinion on that?
My opinion is that elephant is so big and beautiful, that small elephants are so cute, and that big elephant, ancient that mammals that are very good.
ಹಾಂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಏನೋ ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Waterfalls you like doing?
ಹಾಂ, ಏನೋ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ದುಬೈದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ.
Ma'am, how is your experience?
It's really very amazing.
And what do you have to say about this whole new experience of old age mammals and all?
Actually, this is very good for children. ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Really, it's a super experience. In the Bangalore, for the first time, we saw the falls in Bangalore. No, so really we are thoroughly enjoyed. In our kids also there, they also thoroughly enjoyed. So in our first time in a Bangalore, they are dedicated for this falls, no, and this exhibition. So all are very much of enjoy, and these animals are very realistic. So really, it's a super and very entertaining. That actually in the main focus on the exhibition, that is the elephant only, because it's a very realistic. So that elephant sound, it's going very good. We are coming in a forest like that, feel that animal sounds has to given. So all exhibitions equipment is there now. So that animals that all given a very realistic. So our child also very scary because of it's a real or whatever plastic or we don't know. So once come. So yeah. So what about you feel? So you guys are thoroughly enjoyed because of falls is there, so animals is there. How you feel? Happy. What about you?
I'm very much happy.
How do you feel? Enjoyed?
Yes.
So seeing elephants and waterfalls, what is your first experience? Like what is your first expression seeing those?
Water, I was very happy, and animals, I was very scary to seeing that. It was looking like real animal was there. Like that I was feeling.
So you enjoyed?
Yes.
So you played in the waterfalls and all?
Yes.
How did you like it?
Like I am swimming in the water only, I felt.
Thank you.
So, Esmira, how do you like the overall exhibition?
It was very nice.
And about the animals, mammals and all?
It was like real. We all got scared starting when entering all these animals, but after we know it is not real.
So it is showcasing that evolution from the Ice Age till now. So what did you feel seeing those things?
Which animals we did not see in those days, now we are come to see, so we are very happy.